It's that time again for the Dirty Repo. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the numbers are for today. And wow, we have an increase. What a surprise after witching. So we have 1,600 or 1.656 trillion as compared to yesterday, we're up just about 63,000 or so. Or, I'm sorry, 63 billion. So counterparties are up by 4, repos up by quite a bit. Maybe we'll start trending back up towards those all-time high numbers. But anyways, this is the prime reason why there is a plethora of opportunity in the market. This right here. Now the reasoning behind that is very complicated, but doing my best to explain it. However, just think of it like this. There's a historic amount of cash in the treasury. We know that most of it is being held because it's being used as collateral or share lending operations. There's tons of collateral immobilized throughout the market right now, and it's due to this right here, basically in a nutshell. This right here monitors it. Very good website to look at. OFR, Office of Financial Research. Highly recommend looking at some of the data on here. But anyways, repo numbers for today, 1.656 trillion. That rate's still the same, and that's the narrative right now surrounding the markets. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. We'll see how we finish out the week. 1,656,576,000,000.